Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix a common WordPress error that says your site does not have a default kit. So first let's talk about what this error actually means. This error typically appears when a default kit or template is missing from your WordPress site, especially when using page builders like Elementor. So first I am going to show you when this error is occur. So when I am going to my dashboard and try to create a new template. For example, let's create a header template. So from here I can create a template. So after a lot of loading, the error is shown which says your site does not have a default kit in WordPress. To fix this, look at the bottom of the error message. You will see the button that says Recreate Kit. Click on that button. This will take you to a new dashboard screen where you can clear the cache and data. Here you will find the option like Clear Cache, Sync Library. Click on these buttons one by one. After that, click on Recreate Kit again to finalize the changings. Now save the changings and go back to the template section and try creating your template again. And now you should see that the templates now creates without any error. And that's it. I hope this video will help you to resolve this error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.